Check out the last video, go check it out. We went ahead and cut out the passenger door card out of ABS plastic. So if y'all didn't check this video out, man, go check this video out. Like I said, it's the last video I posted. Now the materials I got, all I need is my drill, self-tapping screws, and this is the bracket we are putting on. Now if y'all wonder how I know how to put the bracket on, it's because before I took the old little wood piece off, whatever that stuff was, I marked it. So the ABS plastic will go all the way up to here. I'm gonna use my self-tapping screws to tap through here, which is pretty easy to cut through here, you know what I'm saying, because this cut's really easy, drill's really easy and everything, you know. Driver one is cut. It looked like it was, because it's supposed to come all the way back, but it don't. So I don't know why they did that. Whoever was customizing the door panel, because my dad didn't do it himself, he sent it to a shop. So whatever shop did that, I don't know why they cut that bracket, you know what I'm saying, but left the passenger one intact, fully long, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I don't know why they did that, but like I said, we're just gonna lay this down, line it up with my black line right there, and then drill my self-tapping screw. What's up guys, it's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now this video, man, if y'all didn't check out the last one, bro, go check out the last one. We went ahead and cut out the upper door card for the driver, the passenger side. I'm very excited, man, to get this in so I can have both door panels on the car. This video, we finna go ahead and put it together, you know what I'm saying, put the upper bracket on that actually holds the door panel to the actual door itself, you know what I'm saying. So we finna put that on, and then the video after this one, we're gonna go ahead, the next video, we're gonna go ahead and mount it inside the car. Then we rolling from there, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoy this video, man. We finna get right into it, bro. It shouldn't take me long to put this on, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna use like 4 or 5 screws to hold it on. So, and then later on, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna give me some rivets, drill me out a hole, and then actually rivet on these little brackets so they won't ever come off, you know what I'm saying. So but for the time being, for now, we finna go ahead and just use some self-tapping, like really small self-tapping screws, which I have right here. We just finna use some really small self-tapping screws, and like I said, I'm gonna come back with my rivet gun later on, and we're gonna actually rivet it down so it won't never come apart, you know what I'm saying. Drill a small little hole and then rivet it through. So that's the plan, man. Like I said, for now, we're just gonna use some self-tapping screws just to hold it on, just for now, like I said, and then we're gonna come back later on and rivet it down so it won't ever come off. And if I need to take it off, I'm gonna have to drill it out, you know what I'm saying. So that's the plan, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this vid though. Make sure y'all smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way, y'all be notified to my drop. As soon as I drop a video, y'all get that notification. Share the channel, share this video, man. Let's keep growing and elevating together. Roll to 5,000 subscribers, so I need y'all help. Hit that subscribe button, share the channel, share the video, do whatever you need to help me reach that goal. And it is freezing outside, man. It's really cold today. And the day I'm recording this video is Thanksgiving, so I mean, I can't really say happy Thanksgiving because by the time y'all getting this video, it's probably after New Year's. By the time y'all getting this vid, man, like way after, maybe February. You feel me? But yeah, that's how much I've been recording. You know what I'm saying? And mainly with this car, because this car just needs a lot done to it. So I've been having fun doing all this stuff with this car, anyways, too. But like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this vid, man. We finna get right into it. Got my screws, got my drill. We finna go ahead and put everything together and get this done. Last time when I did for the driver door, I needed help, you know what I'm saying, to hold this on so it wouldn't move, but I figure out how to get it by myself. I've done so much by myself, you know what I'm saying, so I'll figure it out. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video, like I said, and I'll catch on once we get to the back of the car. Alright y'all, so at the back of the car now, and like I said, man, if y'all didn't check out the last video, go check it out. We went ahead and cut out the passenger door card out of ABS plastic. So if y'all didn't check this video out, man, go check this video out. Like I said, it's the last video I posted. Now the materials I got, all I need is my drill, self-tapping screws, and this is the bracket we are putting on. Now if y'all wonder how I know how to put the bracket on, it's because before I took the old little wood piece off, whatever that stuff was, I marked it. So the ABS plastic will go all the way up to here. I'm gonna use my self-tapping screws to tap through here, which is pretty easy to cut through here, you know what I'm saying, because this cut's really easy, drill's really easy and everything, you know. And then the passenger door, it will go like this. The lock gonna be at the back, and it's gonna go just like this, you know what I'm saying. So Just gonna lay it like that, and it's gonna go on top of the ABS plastic. Hold on, y'all. So the ABS plastic, it will sit just like this, and then I'm gonna sit it all the way at the front and lay it down like that. Which I don't know why this one is longer than my, I guess my driver one is cut. It looked like it was, because it's supposed to come all the way back, but it don't. So I don't know why they did that. Whoever was customizing the door panel, because my dad didn't do it himself, he sent it to a shop. So whatever shop did that, I don't know why they cut that bracket, you know what I'm saying, but left the passenger one intact, fully long, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I don't know why they did that. But like I said, we're just gonna lay this down, line it up with my black line right there, and then drill my self-tapping screw. So like I said, last time I had my uncle help me hold this while I drilled, but yeah, I don't have no help, so we finna just try and get this done by myself. Hopefully I can do it. I mean, I got it done the first time by myself, you feel me, when I had to, I did a few screws by myself, and then my uncle came and helped me finish it up, basically is what happened. So yeah, let's try and get this done. So I'm leaving this over to the side, which I really need something to actually hold the back end up. So I basically just need to line this up like this. Make sure the back is lined up, just like that. And that's how it's gonna sit, like that. So I'm gonna try and hold it. Oh, I know what I can do. 1 second, let me grab my vice grip. Here we go. This one I'm gonna use some little clamp vice grips, you know what I'm saying? And clamp it down. That's what I'm gonna do. That looks about even. I'm gonna clamp. Well, alright, loosen this up. Hold on, y'all. Y'all can't even see. I gotta loosen this up so I can clamp it. And let me get my hair on my face. So that's what I can do. I only got one of these, so I don't have another one, unfortunately. And I just dropped a freaking screw. Dang it, man. Dang it. Oh, found it. Okay, let me sit this down before I lose it again. Alright, so like I said, basically just gonna clamp it down. I want to make sure it's all straight. It looks about good right there. Alright, clamp this down. Let me tighten it a little bit more. There we go. So y'all basically see what I'm saying, bro. I'll figure out ways to make this stuff work while I'm by myself, and that's not even. So now I gotta unclamp it and try to get this even. All right, about right there. Trying to do this stuff myself, man. I make it work. I find out ways to be able to get this stuff done on my own. That looks about good. Let's see. Go back a little bit more. This is the only hard part, man, is trying to make sure I get it lined up good. Alright, that looks about good right there. Let's try that. about straight. You need to make sure it's good on the back, and it is. Alright, now I can go ahead and drill this hole. I know it took me a little while, but man, I'm trying to make sure it's somewhat perfect, you know what I'm saying? Self-tapping screw didn't go all the way through yet. Gotta drill a little bit more. Now I'm gonna move on to this end and line this end up and then drill this one. Then I can do all the middle ones, you know what I'm saying? So it's an easy way to do it. Alright, let me turn y'all again. My camera is getting low, so I need to kind of hurry this up a little bit. Alright, now let's drill this end. Then the middles will go very, very easily. Like I said, I'm gonna come back and rivet this later on. So I just want to get this on for now, you know. Here we go. Now the middles will go very easily, like I said. So I gotta just figure out where I actually want them in. And if I look on the back, my line is still very, very straight. You see? Y'all see my black mark up there? Well, that didn't help. But y'all can kind of see it. My black mark, and it's straight all the way down. All the way down. My black mark is straight. So, like I said, these middle screws will go very, very easily. These will be easy. So, I'm going to go ahead, finish this up off camera. The hard parts was the two ends. And luckily, I remember I had this clamp. So, yep. Ooh, excuse me. Let me go ahead and finish this up, put the rest of these screws in. I'll come back and show y'all when I'm done. Alright, y'all, I'm finished. It literally, as soon as I turned off the camera, 2 minutes, got the other screws in. Everything is now on. The bracket is on. Everything is good, and it's nice and even and straight, man. It looks really, really good. So, like I said, it's all on. This is where the lock is, so the door panel will sit just like this, which is correct this time. You know what I'm saying? Last time I cut it out, I cut it on the wrong side. So that's how it's supposed to be. And then if we lay this on, this just slide straight in, just like that. And it's flat, nice and flat. So yeah, we just gotta get this on. Y'all can see, you got my little hole drilled out there. It's nice and everything is on. Everything is done. Like I said, all I gotta do is wrap it. That's literally it, just wrap it. So I need to order that material, man, because I want to wrap these door panels soon. But like I said, I'm not in a rush to actually wrap these door panels because the seat's not even done, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not in a rush. And I think it might be an old school car meet. If anything, I might take this car to the car meet and basically just show my progress. But I think that was on Halloween, so I think I missed it. I don't remember. I don't know for sure. It ain't really a car meet. It's more like trick-or-treaters coming and a few people bring their old cars. And yeah, basically that's it. But yeah, this is it. Like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all think it came out. Me personally, honestly, I think it looks really good. And like I said, I'm finna get ready to get another one of these wood ones like I got for the driver door. So we're finna get one for here. And then I'm finna get the little wood pieces that go on there, which I think they just stick on or glue on. One of them two, you know what I'm saying? I wish I could find a whole one of these, like I said, but the ones I found are in the same condition as mine, so ain't no need of me wasting money on them. But yeah, this is it. Like I said, I'll just use some self-tapping screws for now. We're gonna come back and rivet it later if I have to, if I need to, if I want to, you know what I'm saying? It's just all up to me. These little screws, these little self-tapping screws, if y'all could tell, they work perfectly for the door panel, you know what I'm saying? They don't hit the door, they don't affect it being on the door, and none of that, you know what I'm saying? They literally perfect. So yep, that's what we did. Put 1, spaced it out, 2, spaced it out, 3, spaced it out, 4, spaced it out, 5. So got 5 of them in there. If I want to, I can come back and put more. If I want to, I can, well, I'm gonna have to go and buy more screws, but I can put one in each of them holes and it'll really be on there. And as y'all can see, it got an R right there for right hand, which is passenger door, and then the one for the driver door is probably covered up with rust. But yeah, I'll probably come back, wire wheel these, I take them off, you know what I'm saying, wire wheel both of these little brackets and spray them black, just so, you feel me, just for my peace of mind. But like I said, I really don't have to do that because it's gonna be wrapped up and covered anyways. But like I said, just for my peace of mind, I might come back and do that later on, wire wheel them and then spray them with black paint. Like I said, just for my own well-being. But yeah, man, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. Y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. Next video, we're gonna go ahead and throw it. I'm sorry for breaking it up, but y'all know I don't like recording super long videos and posting them. Like 20 minutes is what I do. You know what I'm saying? 15 to 25 minutes is the most I do. So that's why I'm breaking them up into parts. So y'all just stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna go ahead, throw this in the car, and then we'll have both matching passenger and driver door, passenger and driver doors all done. So yep, one more time, that's it. Try to get it in one frame. That's it. So like I said, y'all leave y'all opinions, man. I'll catch y'all for the outro. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the vid. Like I said, man, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments, man. How y'all think it came out, man? Me personally, bro, I think everything is looking fantastic, bro. And like I said, I don't have to wrap it right now because it's obvious this car is under reconstruction, I could say. But I'm very excited, bro, for this next video. We're gonna go ahead and throw that one in, and then we're gonna throw in the lower door card too. And like I said, bro, I'm very excited to get this in. So other than that though, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this vid. Y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. How y'all think about the door panel? Y'all think the ABS plastic was the right move? Me personally, like I said, I done read multiple forums of people saying that they customizing their car and all that type of stuff and redoing their car, and instead of using some plywood or something, you know what I'm saying, some type of wood, just in case, you know what I'm saying, if that wood get wet, it will not, it'll start not dry rotting, it'll start rotting out though, you know what I'm saying, and turn up, you feel me? So they was like, use some ABS plastic. And like I said, I watched videos of people doing this and everything, and that's what I opted out for, ABS plastic. And the size that I ordered, I think it's 24 by 48, you know what I'm saying, and the 48 is literally the perfect length for the door, so I didn't have to trim out the lengthwise, you know what I'm saying, just the height wise. And I just literally used my old door panel as a template and did like it, you feel me? And like I said, I don't know why the driver door bracket is cut and the passenger door one is not. I wish they wouldn't have cut this driver door, but it'll be fine, you know what I'm saying, it'll be okay. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this vid, man. We finna get right into this next one, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on, where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video, man. Let's keep growing, elevating together, man. Like I said, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. And yeah, we slowly moving forward, man. Slowly, y'all know the motto, one step at a time. We done got a lot done so far, man, and I'm very excited to throw my battery back on the car and throw this radio in so I can hear this Apple CarPlay playing, you know what I'm saying? Have my phone hooked up to Apple CarPlay. And like I said, there's a few more things I'm finna order. Y'all stay tuned, man, because my cup holder finna come in, which comes with an LED light. We're gonna run the power wire to a switch and then ground it down, and that'll be good, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna run the switch to a fuse, so the fuse only cut on and off with the car. Battery finna die. So hope y'all enjoyed this vid, man. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.